Guys, how are you all? I hope you're doing good, staying safe and being positive. So welcome to my channel. So here I am doing a pick a card reading, and the topic for today is what is coming in your immediate future. So what do you need to expect in your near future? What are the energies that are coming, and what you need to do, something like that I would be talking about. Let's see what the cards speak, because I haven't seen the cards. So I hope you get some guidance, some motivation, some inspiration, or some advice, on your situation or something like that. So basically, you have 3 piles and you have to select from that. If you don't know about the pick a card readings, you have to just select 3 from these 3 groups, one group, and maybe you will have that message, because this is a general reading, so some messages may resonate and some wouldn't resonate. So take what resonates and leave the rest behind. Okay, so but I hope you get some guidance, some motivation from this video. I will be very happy, and please do support me. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel, please like the video, please subscribe, share. Okay, give me also some motivation back. I would be very happy. So yeah, so I'll show you the groups here. This is the group 1, this blue crystal. Okay, so just close your eyes and just concentrate on your breathing deep, in and out, and just then after that select. Okay, so just pause if you want more time. So this is the second group, and this is the third group. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3. So in the description box you will get my Instagram page also. If you want to follow me there, you can follow me there, and timestamps will also be there in the description box. You can just go and see your video. You can skip the video whichever pile you are interested in. So yeah, so let's start with the group 1. Okay, without wasting any time, let's start with the group 1. Okay, so the blue color crystals. So let's start. So what is coming in your near future? What is coming in your near future? There's something better coming. I'm sorry. There's something better coming. So maybe you have expected something, but maybe some delays are there. But remember that there is something better coming towards you. Okay, yes, be assertive also. So don't give hope. You have to be assertive at this point of time. So in the near future, maybe things are not going the way you are hoping for, but remember that there is something better coming towards you. There is something good things coming towards you. So don't lose hope, be assertive, and just keep moving. Okay, and yes, we have the number 5 here, truth be told. So yeah, I think clarity is coming overall for you guys. Clarity. So in the near future, you will get the answers you're seeking, and you will know what is coming towards you, or if you have any question in your mind, you will get the answers also. The mask is lifting, so maybe you will know the true face of some people, or maybe you will get a clarity about something, and your intuition is going to be very strong, I feel. So yeah, your inner guidance is strong. So from within you will get the answers. So whatever the situation is, just don't lose hope. Keep moving forward, okay? Good things are happening for you. So we have Archangel Michael here. So if you believe in him, he is with you. And Archangel Michael is protecting you at this point of time. So whatever your situation is, don't lose hope, just keep moving. Answers, I think Archangel Michael will give you clarity on the situation, whatever the situation is going on in your life. So overall, I think the energy is that what you are hoping for, something more better is coming. Okay, so be assertive, just keep on doing what are you doing, just don't lose hope. Stability is coming in your life, because Archangel gives protection, stability, and you got the number 8. Number 8 is about financial abundance. If you're hoping for financial abundance or something like that, yes, definitely it is coming. Gain, or some gain in your raise or something like that. Yeah, then you have right. So maybe some people need to write their thoughts. Maybe some people are writers. So you need to start writing. If you're procrastinating about that, you need to take a look on that. Maybe you should start, for some people, maybe you should start journaling, journaling your desires, manifestations. So whatever you are desiring, write it. Okay. So this is very important. I think whatever you write, if you are giving your 100% and believing in that and having utter faith, that will manifest in your life. So the thing is to write. And so I see some writers here, some bloggers here, just keep writing. Don't lose hope, be assertive. Things are coming. Okay, stability is coming. Okay, so let's see what's up with your love life, what's coming in your love life. Yeah, let go of control issues. So sometimes you need to let go of the control. Maybe you want things the way you have a plan and you want the things to be in that way, but that doesn't happen. Sometimes you need to let go of the expectations, because that is better. If the more you hold on to it, the more delays come and the things doesn't, and you get frustrated, like that kind of energies. So it's important that you let go of all the control issues. You just let go, just leave it. And maybe if you leave the situation, the things will flow. Okay, when you control, the things stop, delays happens. So it's important you just let go of that. Okay, whatever your situation is, just let go within, meditate and just let go. And what is happening, stay optimistic about your love life. So whatever the situation is, let it flow naturally. You have to be very hopeful about the situation, because I feel whatever is happening, it will be better for you. So now the angels are protecting you. Archangel Michael especially is coming here and protecting you from all the problems. Okay, so be optimistic about your love life. So whatever, if you are single and you're thinking that whether you will be able to find someone, so it's like, just be optimistic about it. Don't think negative, just let it flow. Don't have this control issues that I will not get this, I will be always single or something like that. If you're in a relationship also, maybe I will not get that things that you want or something like that kind of energy is coming. So the angels here are only saying in the near future, you have to just let go of the things and let it flow. Okay, because your energy is not flowing because you're blocking it. Okay, do some exercise, dance or something like that when you're feeling so stressed. If you don't meditate, if you like meditation, you can just meditate. It will bring peace, I'm sure. And then very soon, okay, so something is going to happen very soon in your love life. So clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. Okay, so you have to decide what you actually want in your life. If you are not deciding, if you are in a confusion, you need to decide. Okay, so whatever it is, it will come. I think that's where this right card is coming. You need to write your desires. You need to just write it out and believe in it. Okay, whatever, if it's about your love life or if it's about your career or anything, just be assertive. Okay, just have faith. Maybe you will be thinking about someone else and you will get something that is more better than that person or any situation. Overall, the thing is to have faith and let go of this control issues that you're holding on to something. Maybe you're not letting it go. Maybe it's a person also you are just holding on to, and maybe you're not, you're just holding on to something that is not good for you, right? So it's time to leave that. Okay, yeah, yes, victory. Look, the number 6 is here. 6, I think you will have this relationship victory might be there, I feel, because 6's number is about relationship, harmony, peace, love, responsibilities. So I think you have these responsibilities also, but you will be able to maintain it. So very soon someone is coming into your life. Okay, so be very, very optimistic. Okay, optimistic. It's important to be optimistic, otherwise you might delay it more. So it's time to have utter faith. The victory is here, success is here. I see all the success. So that's the thing here, be assertive. So whatever your plans are, be assertive. Don't lose hope. Okay, just don't lose hope. That's the thing. And whatever you want, you will get it, but maybe not what you are hoping for, maybe better than that. Okay, that will be very, very stable. So start writing, start journaling if you aren't, or if you're writers, just go and write it. So yes, you have the strength, you have endured a lot, okay? You are courageous people for sure, okay? You have endured a lot and lot, and 8 number we have again. So 8 number is very nice about abundance. The financial abundance is here, happiness is coming, okay? So just don't lose hope right now. You have endured a lot, okay? So remember that you are strong, you're courageous people, you're unique, you're meant to like go forward in your life. So just keep writing your desires, believing in it, manifesting that using law of attraction. It will be very beneficial for you, and stability is on the way, success is on the way, okay? Yes, you got the strength card again with a different deck. Look at that courage. 8 and 8. Wow, you have 8, 8, 8. Maybe you're seeing 8, 8, 8. Maybe your life path 8. Wow, so beautiful. So look at this. The flower is blooming and it's so beautiful here. Look, this is a very dark color, and then the top is like a very bright color. So things have not been easy, but you are gonna grow, you're gonna shine, okay? Okay, so no worries here. You are just overthinking something. Just let go of that, control things. And what you have? Okay, getting together with friends. Yeah, just get with your friends, go out, have fun. I know there is corona and all, so maybe you can't go out now, but you can just go nearby, spend some time with your friends. If you have one or two, anyone you can, who you're comfortable with, you just spend some time with them, okay? And just be happy, just crazy dancing, whatever you like to do. Just let go of this. Instead of overthinking, just go and enjoy, okay? And yes, look at this, new opportunities, possibilities and path opening up. So yes, keep the energy, so there's something more better coming towards you, right? In love also, I feel like in overall something new is coming, something new energy. And yeah, it took a lot of courage from you in the situation. You have endured a lot, but there's something more better coming towards you. So don't lose hope. Be assertive at this point of time. So what are you hoping for? There's more good things coming your way, okay? Just manifest. Yes. And when you get that, have gratitude, okay? Everything will be all right. Fairies dance in your delight. So yes, they are also telling that everything is gonna be all right. You're just stressing out now, so don't stress out. Be assertive of the things you need in your life. Just let go of the control issues. Instead of overthinking, just work hard. What are you aiming for? Just manifest, just write it down. If you're feeling very stressed, write, journal, okay? Journal your desires and believe in it. Success is coming your way, new opportunities are coming your way, okay? So let's do the charms also. Let's see what the charms has to say for you guys for the new, what is coming, okay? So let's see. Okay, we got you got 5. Some changes are coming, okay? Definitely some changes are coming. I think some positive changes are coming your way, okay? So yeah, you have some indecision right now. You don't know if you want to go left or you want to go right. So just don't overthink and use your inner guidance. You just use your inner guidance. Your intuition is strong, so what your inner guidance say, just go with it, okay? Don't lose hope, just be positive, okay? And you have this pink one. I think love is coming your way. Pink is about love. Maybe it's your favorite color. So yeah, so love is coming your way and you're protective, okay? Angels are protecting you, they are with you, so don't lose hope. And what else? Look at the star, you're gonna shine, okay? Your dreams, I think some wishes are also getting fulfilled. What's written here? Let's see. Just for you. This is just for you, okay? Wow, look at the angel. You have this. They are protecting you, they are guiding you. Use your intuition whenever you make a decision, okay? Yes, you're intelligent people, you're very intelligent people. So just don't overthink, okay? That's the thing I feel like here. So yeah, whatever it is coming slow. You have been feeling it's like so slow, but Remember, the tortoise is slow but stable. Even though it's slow, it will win the race, right? So you are meant to win the race. So just don't lose hope. That's it. Wow, you're stepping into a new zone. Look at that. Whenever I see this, I feel like a boss type of energy where you are just getting some raise, you know. You're going high. Yeah. And what else you have? Look at this protection again, where you have been protected, okay? Yes, angel wins again. Protection. Yes, you have fairies. Just go with this, have fun with your friends. Just don't overthink. Go out, relax, chill, okay? Yes, maybe this all situation is making you more wiser. Sometimes things doesn't come easily. There are some things happen in between. They make you work hard, but at the end of the day, if you keep your faith high and believe that you will achieve it and believe in yourself, you will definitely achieve it. So you're gonna move forward. So some travel also is showing here because you have a cycle, or maybe you need to exercise more. Whenever you feel stressed, you can go for cycling or something that do some where your body is something like that, you like. So just go exercising or something like cycling if you like it, or running or jogging, anything like that, okay? Or I feel this chariot vibes also. That is when you are being very ambitious, and just go forward, okay? Don't go backward. Don't look behind, don't go to your past and think anything like that. Just be in the present moment and just go forward. And we have love here, so of course we have this pink things and new love is coming. So yeah. Okay, so let's see letters or numbers, if anything is coming. Any clues? So yeah, let's see. Okay, I'll just keep it here. We have J, we have B, okay, maybe it's initial or something. O, E. You can write in the comment section, because there is nothing, so we can just fill it with something. Okay, so U are, then N. Okay, so let's see. Okay, the numbers we have 5 and 6, 11. Okay, 11, I feel justice card. You will get the justice you deserve. Things are happening, and justice, 11, 1 plus 1 is 2, and that goes to high priestess. That is like intuition. So listen to your inner guidance. Inner guidance is very important here. And we have 5 changes. We got 5 again, right? 5 changes are coming to your life, positive changes. And we have 6 also here. So yeah, victory is coming, relationship harmony, everything is coming in your life. You just don't worry. And we have 3 playful energies important here, and you're connecting with your divine. And 4 stability, and 7 number. 7 number for like spiritually you're also connected. I feel you're spiritual also, so just go with it. Again, we got a number 3 and 3. Okay, 3 threes are important for you guys. 3 life path, 3 numbers is very important here. So you're connecting with your divine. So at the same time, don't stress out, just have this playful energy, okay? Where you do things, childish like things. Children doesn't think too much. Be like that, don't think too much, okay? So that's all. And just have gratitude when you receive all the blessings. I hope you resonated with this. If you resonated, please give it a like, okay? Or please subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. So I'll see you soon. Bye bye, take care, guys. Group 2. So whoever choose this Green Aventurine, it's your reading here. So Green Aventurine is about talking about abundance, prosperity. So that is all coming into your life. I feel like it's also talking about to connect with the nature, because it's a green color. So if you haven't gone out for a while, it's time to go out, relax in the nature, spend time with nature, okay? So that's coming here. So what's coming for you in the near future? Let's see. The first card here is improving health. So your health is definitely going to improve. So if you are stressing about it, don't stress, your health is improving. So you have made the necessary changes and it's going to improve. The health is definitely improving here. So yeah, so maybe some people are going like vegan or something like that. You're just looking very conscious about your diet, maybe you're losing weight. So whatever it is, I feel like that overall your health is improving, okay? And I think that your loved ones whose health is not so good, their health is also improving. I feel like that kind of energy where health is overall improving, you're being blessed with good health. I feel like that in the near future, okay? So then we have deep knowing card. So your intuition is very strong. So whenever you are facing some kind of problems in your life, just go within yourself and ask yourself for inner guidance. You will get the answers, I'm sure. Look at this all here, all, you know, they can see at night, so you can see at, you know, in dark. You have that, you know, you have that, and that spiritual guidance from the divine. You're very spiritual, and look at the number, that is 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. So yeah, so you're spiritually connected to the divine. So just ask yourself and you will definitely get the answers, okay? And yeah, rest is needed. So for the, I think your health is improving, at the same time you need to rest also. You have to take care of your health. You have to eat healthy foods. You have to meditate, okay? So that is also important here. Relax and meditate, go within. Your deep knowing is so, you know, it's time to improve your intuition also, you know. You know, if you have been not meditating, so I feel like they're telling you to meditate, so you will get the answers. And 1 plus 9 is 10, and 10 reduces to 1. I feel 1 plus 0 is 1, right? So I feel like that new beginnings are coming, new energies are coming into your life, good health is coming into your life. Just relax, don't overwork yourself, don't overstress, just go within. Yes, look at the other card, you have immunity. So you are being immune to all these diseases. Whatever, your health is going to be very, very good. Health, if your health is like not so good right now, in the near future expect your health to be okay. You're being immune to the other negative things in your life. I feel like that also, the negativity, you're immune to the, you know, you have this only positive vibes. You're just, your negative things cannot hurt you anymore, negative people cannot hurt you anymore. You are just being protected from the divine. I feel like that you're just protected. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay, we have reconciliation. Someone from your past is returning to your life, and then you have this chemistry. Okay, so there's a strong magnetic attraction here. Wow, so someone is coming from your back. Sorry. So someone is coming from your past. Maybe it's not a ex lover or some, not like that. I don't know. I don't get this vibe of ex. I feel like that someone from your past, a friend is returning, and then you have this strong chemistry with them, and yes, and the things happen very, very quickly for you guys. Or maybe it's just a friend who is returning from your past, and you have the same ideas, you know, that kind of soulmate energy is coming where you share things, because soulmates can be friends also, right? Friends and family members also. So I see that also, like someone from your past is coming, that you have the strong bond. And of course, if you're single, maybe it will be love relationship coming, so that is also coming, okay? So, and when you're feeling stuck about this person or something like that, if you feel stuck, just go within, just ask yourself, you will get the guidance. I'm sure your intuition is so strong here, so you will get the guidance. Don't worry about anything else, just ask and you will receive the answers, okay? So yes, you have this Ace of Swords energy coming here. So new beginning. Again, you got 1 here, you got 1 here, right? 1 1. So new things are coming, new opportunities are on the way. I think clarity is overall coming. So new life is starting, new energies are coming towards you, okay? So yeah, success is coming, clarity, okay? Then you have this 2 of Wands, 2 of fire energy here. So 2 of fire means you have everything, you know, you have this, you're meant to do things your way and just go forward. You have this 1 and then you have this 2. You are just moving forward in your life, you're not going backwards. It's time to take action, and whatever you will do, you will get the success, okay? So don't self-doubt, just go and move forward, okay, in your life. That's what is coming through. And look at the colors, white and the light blue is there. I feel like that energy is like peace is coming into your life. And the light blue, like clarity, truth is coming, and you know what you need to do, where you have to invest your energy, you know. So the inner guidance is strong here. Just go with that, okay? And look, comparison. So these two trees are different, right? They are different, they have different capabilities, they look different. So just, they don't compare themselves to each other, so don't compare yourself to anyone else, okay? So that's important. You are unique in your own way, okay? So don't ever compare yourself to anyone else, okay? So that's what coming through here. So the next card is, you have is like a stubborn aggressive person. Okay, so someone is very stubborn, so just don't give them that much attention when they've been aggressive, okay? So you don't need to think about it. It's their problem. If they have been aggressive, it's their problem, it's not your problem. So maybe someone like that might come in the near future or maybe it's a dark man. You have some, maybe your boss or something like that is like very very aggressive. Just let it go, let them talk. It's their problem, it's not your problem. Just think like that, okay? Oh my god, look at that. Something important is coming your way, such as a new job or raise. Maybe a raise is coming, okay? So something good is coming, okay? So that's money raise, financially. So I talked about abundance. So yeah, financial raise is coming towards you. New job or raise, okay? So something new is definitely here. You have this energy also. One, here we have one, we have two ones, and we have two here, okay? So you're stepping forward in your life, in your spirituality. Your health is overall improving, okay? And money is also coming. So just ask your guidance, okay? So the next one, the last card we have is rainbows. In our forest, no trees debate. Rainbows stand with love, not hate. Okay, so it's time for love. Do things lovingly. Don't over stress, okay? You know, don't argue with someone who will not understand your point of view. That is also here important. If they are aggressive, let them talk. You just let it go, okay? And whenever, you know, after rain, there comes rainbows, right? So yes, your problems are gonna wash away and rainbows are coming, okay? So let's see. So I see, wow, nice for you guys. Health is improving, financial gain, you know, your love life is also going improve. I feel like that there is chemistry coming. And for all the ones who are already in relationship, your chemistry is gonna, you know, go more deeper. I feel like that, okay? So let's see the charms, what you have. Oh my god, okay. So what do you all have? Let's see for the charms in the near future, what's coming. Okay, oh my god, we have a ring, commitment. Oh, maybe this person will commit to you. Wow, that's beautiful. Ring is coming, commitment is coming your way. Oh, some of your wishes, some wishes are being fulfilled. And look at this. Your inner guidance is so strong. The crown chakra, your crown chakra is activated and you will get the inner guidance. So you know what you need to do, okay? And look at this, protection. Yeah, I spoke about that, right? Protection from every side. You are being protected. And look at this, dolphins. You know, dolphins are very playful type of creature. They connect with humans so well. Their intuition is also strong, but they are so playful, right? So that is the energy you need to be. You need to be playful. You don't have to stress yourself out, okay? Just go with the flow and let go of the things, let go of these kind of people who are like very arrogant. Here you got again. So let go of these kind of people who are just coming here to argue with you. Just let go of them. Don't invest your time in that, okay? You just let it go. Don't take them seriously here. That is also coming for you. And yes, some people might gossip about you. Some people might gossip about you. It's time you just let it go. Don't think about them. Don't give value to them. You just keep on doing your work because you're going to be very very successful. Just let them do and they will have their own karma, right? So you just focus on yourself. That's the thing. So there are people around you who are like not so good about you, are like maybe jealous about you or something like that. You don't have to do anything with them. It's not your problem, it's their problem. Okay, so understand that. So yeah. Okay, so what else from the letters and numbers? Let's see what you're getting. Okay, so we have, I'll just keep this here side. 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is about, your knowledge is increasing. I feel like your guidance is also increasing, and something is completing in your life. New energies are coming, as I said. New love is coming, then new jobs for some people. Your health is also improving. New energies are coming. And 3, your connection to divine is like going to be more stronger. And 6, harmony is coming. And then we have the number again 6 and 3. You have two numbers, that is 3 and 6. Okay, so look, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that is also step 1, 2, 3. You're moving forward. Okay, so yeah, connecting to the divine, and peace and harmony is coming. The rainbows are coming into your life after so much suffering. You have suffered a lot. Okay, so the R, B, M. No, it's W. It's W. E. V. V. So yeah. So some A and G. Okay. So these are the things, the letters. Okay, so if you have any words, you can write down in the comment section. And if you liked my reading, if you got some inspiration or guidance, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe my channel. It will mean a lot to me. So I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Take care. Group 3, whoever chose this rose quartz crystal. So I see self-love here. So there is a need for self-love. Okay, need for self-love. So I think you are judging yourself, you're comparing yourself, or maybe you have worked something so hard and it didn't work out the way you wanted, and so you are thinking that you're not worthy. Don't do that. Okay, self-love is very important. You are worthy of everything. So have this patience inside you. Okay, so don't give up. I don't know, this message came through, so I'm delivering it. So the cards, the first card you got is let go. Okay, so this situation should let go. So if you let go of this situation, then only new energies will come. So they are saying you need to let go of the situation. So whatever your situation is, right? So whatever it is, if you hold on to it, if you're constantly thinking about it, if you're constantly in your past, it's not going to work. Okay, new energies will not come. So it's time you just shed that tears out, just cry it out. Okay, you feel so stressed, if you feel so emotional, just don't hold it inside you. Okay, just cry it out, let it go. Just don't think about it, just go, just move forward. Okay, I know this is the hardest thing to do, right, to let go of something, but that will be the best thing you will do in your life. Okay, so yeah, everyone goes through it, and I know that it's very hard. It's easy to say though, but I know it's very hard, trust me, I know, because I have gone through that. So just let go of all the things that is not deserving, the energies that are bad for you, just let it go, and then the recovery will happen. Okay, I'm just out of these words, I'm so sorry. So if you let go, then the recovery will happen in your life, then the good things will come to your life. So you're holding on to a situation that is not good for yourself, and that you are blocking your energy, the flow you're blocking. Maybe it's financial, it's relationship, whatever it is. For everyone it will be different, because it's anyways a general reading. So when you let go of this thing, the recovery will happen, for sure. Angels will stand by you. And sometimes some things are not good for us. We may think that is good for us and we have to let go of it, but no, it will not be good for us. Angels know better than us, and I think something more good is there for us. That's why we need to let go of the situation. And yes, again you got the card, time to go. you got the number 9 also. So completion of a cycle. It's time to go and enter into this new door, right? Look at this. The woman, she's leaving the situation and going to a new door. So when you leave a situation, then only a new door will open. So it's up to you whether you want to stay in the situation. So this is like getting a little harsher, but I got to say what I got to say, right? So you need to let go of the situation, that's it. Then the new doors are gonna open. If you stay here, then you will stay here only. So it's just move forward. Look at the stars now. So yeah, just let go of the situation. Look, yeah, let go of this anxiety. This is making you anxious. This situation is making you anxious, making you depressed. And again we got a 9. So I think it's gonna complete. You're gonna get out of the situation. So just have faith, you will. Okay, the only thing you have to do is meditate, be calm. It's not that easy. You need to let go of it. Just meditation is the answer here, to be peaceful and do the things you love to do, right? Don't do the things you don't like and what makes you stress out. Don't do that. Okay, so maybe this period you might feel like, why this is happening? Why me, God? You might be asking these questions, and it's very hard to start again, right? You might have worked hard for this, but they are saying no, it's time to let go of that thing. In the near future, you have to let go. So you might be letting go of these things, and that will make you a happy person. If you want to be happy, you need to let go of this anxiety. You need to let go of this situation. You need to let go of this relationship, or whatever the situation. It's not a relationship, if it's a job, whatever the situation is yours, you need to let it go. Innocence. It's time to look at this pink color. You got this pink color. So pink, about love. So it's time to love yourself. It's not the time to overthink. It's not the time to it's time to forgive yourself for your mistakes, and it's time to forgive others, not because you want them back into your life. It's only because for your healing. Okay, so I think healing is going to happen in your life, heart healing, and you will be able to open your heart and you will receive all the things you need to receive. So only thing is you need to be calm, like this figure where she is meditating and the angels are behind her, they are guiding her. So you have to do this. You have to start meditation or do something that makes you calm, even if it's a painting, drawing, whatever it is, even if it's cooking. So do something that you like to do. Okay, so and be innocence. It's time, it's time to get back there. It's time to connect with your child self, right? With your crazy self that is gone here. You're now completely an adult who is overthinking. Now it's time to be that child again, where there is no overthinking, where there is only playfulness, where there is only happiness, where there is only like running. The children are so peaceful, right? They're so innocent. They don't think about anything, right? They just play, they just have fun. It's time to have fun. It's time to love yourself. It's time to forgive yourself, guys. Okay, so for your love life, okay, so we have this retreat card. So for the single people, I think it's time to take some time out and connect with yourself. And for the people who are in a good partnership, I feel like that you need to take some time together, okay, and spend some time together. Maybe this person will help you in this process of letting go. Okay, if it's not a relationship, maybe it's a job problem, so you might be connecting with them more. So it's time to take time to spend with them, connect with them, have fun with them. Okay, don't think about other things, just have fun with them. Okay, we have romantic feelings also. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. Okay, so someone has some romantic feelings. So in this relationship, I feel like that your romantic feelings are going more beyond, beyond, deeper. It's going deeper. The romantic feelings are going deeper. You both are spending time together. So in the near future, you have to spend time with them. Have fun with them. When you're very stressed, just spend time with your family. Yeah, with your family, with your partner. whoever you trust, with your friends, and someone have some romantic feelings. So it's time you explore that. Instead of overthinking, let go of overthinking and just explore that. Go out, get out of your comfort zone. Don't be afraid to speak out. So if you want to tell your feelings to this person, go out and tell instead of keeping it in your heart. Okay, it's time to explore. Okay, for some people it's time to take some time alone. Don't go into a relationship, just have some space for yourself, ask your inner guidance. And for some people, I'm seeing it's time to go out and say the things you need to say to someone. Okay, so what else? We have delay here, and then we have speed here. So some things that were delayed will speed up. Okay, so don't worry. So maybe you are feeling very stuck here. Some things are being delayed. You are working hard and you are not getting the results. It's like just doing the work and nothing is coming out of the situation. So sometimes maybe this also is there. That leads to your anxiety. So when you let go of that anxiety, when you let go of that overthinking, then the things will speed up. So it's up to you. Okay, so look, 7 and 8 again. Numbers like 7 then 8, right? From delay to speed, isn't it? So yeah, you need to let go of that feelings. You don't have to, you are just on that situation where you're just trying to control it. Don't control it, let it go. Don't think about it too much. That's what your angels want you to let know. Just this message, I think if you open this, if you're selecting this pile, the message is to just let go of all the things that is not making you happy. And when you're constantly thinking about something and that is making you feel very weird, don't think about it. Just let that feelings go. Yes, Ace of Wands. New beginnings are coming. So then you have 9. All it's like about completing things. You have this 9 and you have this 9. And then you got the 1 and you got 7, 8, 7, 8, 9 and then 1. Look at that. 7, 8, 9 and 1. So it's like you're stepping. Okay, new beginnings are coming. Okay, so don't think too much. Don't let the feelings control you. Okay, that is what happening. The feelings are controlling you. It's time to let it go, and then the things will speed up. Yes, go within. The Master card you got, Osho. So I feel it's time to go within. It's time to retreat. Yeah, here. For some people, it's to retreat alone, to take time, spend time with yourself. It's not loneliness. It's like exploring yourself. Inner guidance. Your inner guidance is increasing. You're becoming the master of yourself. You know what you need to do. You're a very spiritual people. Okay, I think you're in a path of spiritual awakening also. For some people, you're getting into that spiritual you're getting into spirituality, and for some people, I think you're gonna get you're being the master of yourself. You know what you need to do, and you're getting the manifestations. You're going to be the what do you say, powerful manifestors. You're going to be that kind of people. You will know how to master yourself. You know what you need to do, your thoughts, what you have to, from this where your thoughts are so like not in your favor, to this where you will have your thoughts aligned. All will be in the order. Your thoughts will be in the order, so you will manifest what you desire. So yeah, that's what it's coming. Okay, doing something risky, taking a chance. Temptation will test you. New creative ideas, new ventures, a fresh start, and money or property through an inheritance, winning or windfall. So wow, so it's time to do something risky. Okay, it's time to let go of the feelings, and it's time to do something new. Okay, so maybe you have been working hard for something and it's not working and it's delaying. So it's important you keep your mind in order. Don't overthink about this and just go with the flow. Do something risky. It's something maybe you want to do and you feel it's risky. Just go for it. Don't overthink. And sometimes we want something, and that time, even if it's financial or anything, it might test you. So just don't give in to that, and new ideas are coming into your life, new prosperity is coming into life. So when you let go of all these feelings that are stopping you from achieving all the good things you have in your life, so the only thing here for the near future you have to know is you have to let go of all the feelings that is not serving you. You have to trust in the divine, you have to trust in the divine timing, because everything happens at the right time. So for you, I feel everything will happen at the correct moment. Divine timing is very important. So something is delaying, but the things will speed up as soon as you let go of all the feelings, okay? And prosperity, whatever you want, a fresh start, everything will come into your life. But you need to go within yourself and trust your intuition, trust the inner guidance, be that childlike energy where you're not stressing over anything, okay? So that's what is coming here. And you need to trust. Again, breathe in, breathe out, let go of doubt. Let go of doubt. If you're doubting yourself, if you're doubting your capabilities, just don't do that. Just breathe in, breathe out, and let it go. And just do what you're doing, okay? Take some risk and move forward, okay? So yeah, the numbers is like 7, 8, 9 and 1 for you guys. So I feel like it's time to move forward. You will definitely move forward, okay? Don't worry. And I think you're connecting to spirit also. You're connecting to your intuition and you're believing in it. So that's also is coming through. So the first thing you have to do is let go of all these unwanted feelings, okay? Or unwanted thoughts. I'm so sorry for that. Okay, so let's see what the charms have to say. So what's coming in the near future for group 3? Oh yeah, as I told about self-love, right? So self-love is also important. You need to love yourself. Yeah, we have the solar plexus chakra. I feel like that your confidence is not so high here. So it's time to be confident. It's time to work on yourself, on that chakra. Okay, maybe music is very important for you. Maybe when you listen to music, like some frequencies, you might connect to the divine. So YouTube has so many frequencies, meditation, you can do that. You might be able to connect to them through music, okay? Yes, abundance. This green color, I take you know, I feel like that the abundance is on its way. Yeah. Yeah. You're meant to fly high. Travel is also there for some people. But your ambition, whatever your ambition is, you will get it, okay? You're meant to fly high. You're meant to do something different. Don't overstress yourself. Yeah, go out and have fun, little bit fun. Why are you thinking and thinking and thinking? Let it out, okay? Yes. You wanted financial independence? you will definitely get that, okay? If you wanted that, you will get your independence. Don't worry, guys. And yes, I think you need to be playful about that. You need to take rest. And you know, you got infinity symbol here. Eternal love. It's time to do the action. It's not time to procrastinate. It's just time to do the action. Just go. Ask yourself and go, okay? And you have this heart, love. Love, self-love is important. I think love is also coming. You have this romantic feelings to someone, and just go and get out of your comfort zone and just talk to them, right? It's hard. Sometimes it's very, very hard, right? But you need to do that. And yes, wishes are getting fulfilled. Your wishes are getting fulfilled. The only thing is you need to let go of the things you're holding on tightly. And there is transformations happening. Wow, from the cocoon to the butterfly. You're, 6, 7, no, you don't have 6, right? You have 7, 8 and 9 and the 1. That is about the beginnings, new beginnings, right? Transformation is happening, guys. And don't let anyone else tell you what you need to do, because you're independent on that. You know what you need to do. Your inner guidance is also there. You're the master, okay? You're the master, so you know what you need to do, okay? Don't let anyone else tell you what you need to do, right? So ignore that kind of people who are like demotivating you, okay? So just ignore them. So what is the number and letters for you guys? Let's see. We'll keep this here. Okay, so what you have number 2. So it's about balance. Balance is coming, partnerships is coming, okay? Your balance, your life right now is not so balanced right now because of all this stress, but finally it will be balanced. Don't worry. Everything is happening for a divine reason, and everything will come at the divine timing. Okay, HND. So you have 1 and then you have 2 also. Wow, like it's like B and then O, E, O, oh my god, 2 O's, A and E, A and T. Eat. You're not eating the food, you're just constantly worrying, is it? Okay, I got DOB. Maybe your birthday is this month or something like that also. Okay, then what else? If you're not eating, please eat, okay? If you're not looking after yourself because you're stressing here, so maybe you don't have that. You're just not eating, so just don't do that, okay? Look after yourself, look after your health also, very important here. Okay? And have a tea. Have a tea. Tea means I feel like that, having tea time with your friends, spending time with your loved ones, having tea and talking stupid things, not so serious matters, right? Having fun. Okay, and yeah, I got one more. Okay, this group I'm getting the words. Last 2 groups I didn't get anything. Boat, look at that. So it's a confirmation. Wow, beautiful, right? So you're gonna get the financial abundance you deserve, and then your future things are happening for you. Just don't be tempted. Don't let your feelings control you. It's the time you control your feelings, okay? That's it. So be master, you are the masters, okay? So that's all I have for group number 3. If you like my reading, please give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye, take care.